What are you doing?
There we go.
Huh? You're not supposed to be up
Baby,
there.
no, don't do that. Why?
You're not supposed to be playing with the lights either.
Dad, Mommy, do you want me to fix and then I'll put them in these bowls? This is your bowl, right? Okay, come back from that. Bunny.